Yeah. Then we check. This is the intake, air filter, MAF sensor that check the air that's coming into the engine. They say if this one is dirty, it's not giving the right reading for the computer, and then the engine is not going as it should. So now we try to clean it. Now we're trying to clean this part, the sensor in here, and then we have some sensor up in here we're trying after. Then we have in here there are some sensors. You see on this side it's clean, this side is not. And this one is standing, the air is coming in this way, in here, going up to the sensor up in here and hitting this sensor. This sensor was completely dirty, you couldn't see it. Now it's clean on both sides. I'm just going to clean up a little more. Sensors up in here. It's also a lot of shit coming out, so we're going to just push in a little more. Dry up on the outside. Then it's cleaned up. It's looking very nice. Put it back the same way. No point over tightening, just tighten it. And it's back. Now it's back and it's connected. And we can just start it up and see. You can take one more trip and see. Started without any problem. Then we have cleaned the MAF sensor. So just out right after, so the computer haven't learned anything new yet. Just see what's happening now, because it feels like the whole car was dying. So now we're trying to see, since the owner here don't like car dyings. It's much better. Don't dying like before, and I think this is going to be even better when the computer learn the new information, because before it was just hopeless, and now it's not. It's very easy. Yeah, it's fixed. Don't die at all. Just keep on. After the time these have been used like this, then maybe the spark plugs are not perfect anymore and things like that to get too much gasoline. I think this shouldn't be a problem. It should be fixed. Yeah, easy peasy. We fixed the car for almost nothing. This brake cleaner from Bildilla was very cheap. Don't use half a bottle, so around 20 Norwegian kroner at maximum. That is $2 approximately, and it's fixed. And of course now it's going to use a lot less gasoline, so the first times this is used, it shouldn't be any more problem with gasoline and things like that. So this is just perfect. Okay, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have some questions about things you have problem with on your car, maybe you can find some cheap solution to fix that too. It's things like this who make this fun.